Impact of image resolution to biomedical multimodal large language models. This paper says that in biomedicine these images are in very high resolution, while the multimodal LLMs that can see images are trained on a lot smaller resolution images, so that's an issue. So when these multimodal language models learn, they will usually downsample high resolution images into lower resolution. But you see here that native resolution, the medical professional or LLM needs this full resolution to see very small details and textures, and when multimodal LLM makes resolution lower, those textures and critical information is no longer visible. They will use Qwen-VL because it supports any resolution image by breaking it down and using this 2D rope to encode positions of these patches of these parts of the image. So they expectedly found out that multimodal LLMs need to be trained with this high resolution, native resolution, and then they will perform better than if they're trained with low resolution training and inference, because then the necessary critical information would be destroyed. But if you train it on native high resolution and then test it on low resolution, the accuracy will drop. So resolution alignment between training and testing is more important than the resolution itself. So if you trained on low resolution, then it will know how to deal with low resolution or high resolution, but you can also train on mixed, on both, and then it will learn to deal with both. You see here that if it's trained on mixed resolution, it will have high performance for all three, low, native, and mixed. Now, if it's trained on low, it will have high performance on low. If it's trained on native, it will have highest performance on native, but then it will tank in these other two. But mixed resolution makes all three very good. Join my school to become AI researcher. We got all of these courses. It's free for now, for a short period of time, but then I'm gonna make it paid when the initial community is built. So join right now, link below to get a free lifetime access. Even though it's just a little bit worse than low resolution and low resolution, or native and native here. But this entire study wouldn't be possible if they, instead of choosing Qwen-VL that can support any resolution, they chose some language model that cannot support any resolution. They also compare full fine-tuning of all weights versus just LoRA, and they found out that full fine-tuning works better, and this is probably because this task is very difficult, and so it's like learning a whole new difficult skill. They also try to take a low resolution image and try to scale it up or resample with these different techniques. And you can see that some of these techniques actually perform better and some perform worse. So this yellow technique is performing best because it's focusing on enhancing details. In the future work, there should be more types of biomedical images included. And then mixed resolution training might be optimal for some tasks, but suboptimal for different tasks. So the future work should try different architectures or methods of handling multi-resolution inputs with different resolutions, different images. Join my school to become AI researcher, link below. We have all of these courses for free. It's free for now, but soon it's gonna get paid. So if you join right now, you get full lifetime access forever for free, while I'm building this initial community.